We really got to stop meeting under these conditions, but I got one. G-Body gang, let's go.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. In my Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, let's say Ride 254, man. Tune in for another one. Fuck, boy. If I told y'all how hot it is without this beat, y'all would not believe me. Temperature say 108 degrees. Picture coming soon. So, let me show you what we got here. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Steering column, fresh. Dash not too bad. This shit look mighty familiar, just like my shit. Mighty familiar. See, what year is this? 80 or 78 to 87. This one specifically is a 1983 Buick Regal. Body by Fisher. You know what it is. I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible, because when I tell you it's a new level of hot out this bitch, I'm not even fucking lying to you. Not even fucking lying to you. Body seems to be in good condition. Trying to see. If only this was a cutlass symbol, you know what I mean? It would be in there somewhere. All right, let's look at the hood, man. See what's going on up under here. Shit. All right. Nothing much going on, but everything is here. It's complete. Make you wonder, why is it here? Why is it here? Oh, damn. It's so hot, the hood don't want to stay up. 108 degrees, I wouldn't either. All right. 83 Buick Regal, as you can see. Like I said, everything looks in pretty good condition, man. Door panel straight. Ain't not the same ones in mine. Like, look at this interior, bro. It's straight. Rear view there, dash there. I'm pushing the button like that bitch gonna honk. Shit, even the whole ashtray there. I might have to come back, but not today. I might have to come back, but not today. Your boy is sweltering. Have some engine gaskets back there. They got the steel wheels. The steel wheels look to be in good condition. Tail lights, some kind of crack. Gas cover joint. Blue thing. Bumpers look okay. So, it's another one, man. It's another one. Little trimmer in the back window. It is what it is. Fuck, it's hot out here. Yeah, man, I'm gonna wrap this bitch up, bro. I'll put it with the other video. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one with the other one, man. What's the other one? Let's get to it, though. It's hot as hell, so we finna make this quick as hell. You dig? All right, got all the steel wheels around here. Look like we got one hubcap. Now, if your boy could come up on 4 hubcaps, I'm walking out of here feeling like $1 million. But we finna see. Got the emblem up top. Let's see, hold on, let me get this hood up. All right, so my phone just overheated, man, but we back. I'm finna try to make this quick, fast, in a hurry. Steering wheel is here, seats is in here, dash is cracked up. That's to kind of be expected, though. The reason I couldn't get the hood, man, they took the hinges out of that thing. Interior don't look too bad though. Yeah, know what I mean? Shit. Fool, boy, it ain't never been that hot where my phone overheated while I was just recording. Like on some going live shit, yeah. But not just recording. I'm gonna have to start bringing my motherfucking GoPro. Yeah, the trunk got banged up. And then, yeah, we finna go over there in right a minute. Ooh, bro, it's like a triple threat video right here, bro. We gonna have to put them all together, cause it's hotter than a bitch. Know what I mean? Yeah, as you can see, everything is here. It got the trim on the bottom. Yeah, trim all the way around the bottom. It's on there. And I'm not taking shit off this car, bro, because it's hot as fuck. Nothing. Hood look good. Bumper fillers kind of bumped up. Headlight bezels. Everything, man. This is a 1980. Which one is this? Trying to see. It's a 1984. So if you didn't know, now you know. And I'm finna make a call. And then we on to the next one. So, as you can see, we got a Cadillac L-Dog. Like I said, it's hot as fuck. So I'm not playing with it today. Budget tow came and got it. 1985 Cadillac L-Dog. As you can see, the inside is icy than a bitch. Inside icy than a bitch, bro. Look, check out them seats and shit, bro. 85 L-Dog, icy than a bitch. But it's too hot and my phone might overheat again. And I ain't got time to be waiting and shit. So I'm gonna just show y'all the interesting shit. Now I'm gonna have to go shower before work and shit. Yeah. This did catch my eye. I'm gonna look up the lug pattern. If these motherfuckers are fit, they going, you know where they going, right? If these motherfuckers are fit, they going on the Rivy. If I gotta tell you what they is, then you too young.